So the morning before, I get all of my clothes around, down to the hat and gloves if necessary, and I have them all ready. So as soon as my alarm goes off, I put on all of my running clothes. I grab my mace and my road ID and turn on my headlamp and head out the door, and I'm on my way. So on the weekdays, I run about 3 days a week, and I'll run 4 miles at a time. And then on the weekend, I usually do a long run, right around 12 miles. I started running in 2008, and I was planning on running my first half marathon in the fall of 2009. I like to run early in the morning before the rest of the world is really awake, and it's a nice quiet time to just think, be alone. After running, I typically feel like I have a sense of clarity. I feel refreshed and I feel healthy after a run. So my first surgery was December 9th, so I stopped the day before that. My friends were very shocked. I have really kind of always been a picture of good health, so it was very surprising to hear the diagnosis. I think the thing that made it the most difficult was that I wasn't able to run, because running had always kind of been my outlet. It was the way I relieved stress and just decompressed, and I didn't have that for about 10 weeks, so it made it quite challenging. So really my family and friends kept me motivated. You know, I got a lot of phone calls, a lot of messages, friends just checking in on me. It was nice that they wanted to stay connected through that time. That really helped a lot. So I've learned to be a lot more patient, and I think that's one thing that long distance running kind of has in common with a diagnosis like this, is that you kind of have to just take it as it comes, and you work through the difficult times and hope for a good outcome at the end. I really just want to cross the finish line. I want the marathon to signify the end of a dark period and the beginning of a new, brighter, happier period. My name's Denise Keely, and I'm going to run the 2016 Boston Marathon.